Welcome. In front of me is a NUBIA Focus 2 Ultra, and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into Fastboot mode. So, to get started, you will want to turn off the device by holding the power button and selecting power off. Now give it a moment, as once you select it, it will begin with this. Okay, I guess I'm not going to get this animation right now. Typically you get this little two dots that kind of go somewhere around here. You need to wait for them to disappear as the device is turning off, which I'm pretty sure even though it's not displaying it, it's still turning off. And that takes about 5 to 10 seconds. Afterwards you can then hold power button and volume up at the same time. And when you see the recovery mode, you can let go of both of these buttons. So in here, we will need to use volume buttons to navigate up or down, depending on which one you press, as you can see. And power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. So with that in mind, let's scroll down, and we have two options. We have Reboot to Bootloader, and we have Enter Fastboot Mode. Now, in this video, I was going to show you how to enter Fastboot Mode. So I'm going to start off with the Reboot to Bootloader and confirming it. The reason I do that is because Fastboot Mode is a pretty obvious one. It's literally called Fastboot Mode, but this might be a little bit harder to see. Let's see how much. Come on, camera, can you focus, please? So it's kind of hard to see, but this is actually Fastboot Mode. It is cut out by the rounded corners right here, but this is a Fastboot mode in itself. Now it's a one without any kind of menu, which probably would have been better if I started off with the actual Fastboot mode, as there is a menu there. So anyway, I'm gonna turn it off by holding power button and volume down, so I can leave this one. And once the phone turns off, I'm gonna hold power button, volume up to get back to their recovery mode. Oh, apparently not. So I do need to re-enter there once I wait for the device to boot up. Oh, there we go. So that's what I was referring to before. So anyway, again, power button, volume up. And this time around, I'm going to select the Fastboot mode, confirm it. And you can see in here we have one that is also labeled as Fastboot mode. I know the previous one wasn't really visible as it was cut out, but in any case, in here we navigate the same way we did for the recovery mode, so volume buttons and power button. And in here we have three other options. So we have Reboot System Now, takes us back to Android. Then we have Enter Recovery, which is the previous screen. And then we have the bootloader, which again is just a Fastboot mode in itself as well. And last option is power off. Now I'm going to select the first one, which is reboot, or reboot system, and this, instead of turning off the device, just brings me back to Android. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.